Jimmy, this is the loading dock where the press would be coming in at. There is concern whether or not the steel ramp can hold the weight of a press. They do have another dock over here that is again dock height but does not have a ramp. The issue is there's a telephone pole and wires that would delay or maybe prevent a truck from being able to back into that spot. Third option is they're getting additional space over in another building where we could bring the press in and stage it. And that would be this facility here, dock number 22, which again we'd need a steel plate for. But we would then have to transport the press inside the building from here through a doorway that's right between those two doors all the way down to door number 18 where the press is. Once we're inside the building, this is the doorway with the ramp. This is the path the press would take. And it's going to sit over here where this 74.5 color is now. The width from the wall that you see so the width from that wall, the width of the wall to the edge of the pad is 13 feet exactly. We're going to have to look at the cabinet drawings. Plenty high ceilings. I've advised them that they're going to need a plumber to put the recirculator up on the roof. They have 600 volt power coming into the building, a 400 amp service at 600 volts. They currently do have a transformer. Here's the power cabinet. And I'll take a picture of that so you see exactly what it is. 400 amp service. So we need to advise them on the type of transformer that they're going to need. Plenty of space to work in. That's it for right now.